What kid doesn't like pizza? So I've got some Italian sausage here. I've got two versions, actually. A version that I'm gonna roll up. Then I've got one that's gonna be on garlic toast, thick Texas garlic toast. If I don't win, this whole thing is rigged. Today, I've got some Mission gluten-free tortillas. If you've never tried frozen Texas toast that's loaded up with garlic butter, have you even ever lived? Trust me when I say this is magic. My sausage is looking done. I'm gonna go ahead and kill the heat that is right over here on this far side, and I'm gonna just get my sausage out of the way as I'm bringing over some of that sausage fat as well as a little bit of that graza sizzle. And this is where I'm gonna start toasting this garlic butter Texas toast. Now, this is gonna get toasty on this side. This is what I'm talking about, watch this. Yeah, so that's the texture and the color that I'm looking for.
That smells so good. Honestly, that smells like my childhood.
Woo, woo, woo. Toasty, watch out. It's like it's been on a hot griddle. I'm building basically a pepperoni pizza rolled into a delicious, crispy pizza burrito, so to speak. So, of course, our base is marinara. You gotta get some mozzarella. And then I'm going on top. I prefer these little cubed pepperonis. You see what I got going on here? Then we simply roll as we go.
You ready to play, buddy, or am I gonna beat you again?
You might be beating me. I'm gonna build these out a little different. This is gonna be a little more big kid. I've got some giardiniera. If you've never had giardiniera, it is just a delightful pickled.
It's like an Italian condiment that really is truly versatile. If you like that vinegar bite, that briny flavor, awesome condiment to use.
That's what I was gonna say. Gonna go on with some mozzarella, some of that shredded mozz. Then I'm gonna do a few pepperonis on here because who doesn't like pepperonis? You know what? Do any of your kids not like pepperoni?
I don't know anyone that doesn't like pepperoni.
That's a great point. All right, and then I've got some shredded parm. Every now and then in life when you're cooking, especially when you're trying to impress your kids and your kids' friends and the neighborhood kids and your best friend, you forget the sausage on the bougie one.
Oh no, you forgot something?
No, I did, but it's okay.
These are beautiful.
Thank you, sir. I wanted to hit that with a little bit more mozz.
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously. All right.
Can I help you?
Yeah, you can.
Jeez, you need training wheels over here?
Maybe.
Nailed it.
2 or 3 more minutes. The bottoms are actually gonna be toasted. Cheese is gonna start melting. Bob's your uncle.
I think cooking with options is a fun idea. Like CJ's basically making the same thing, but 2 different variations of it. All the base ingredients are the same, just with one little change. Having options is a great way to kind of give your picky eater a choice so they have some control over what they're eating. That looks like the kids are gonna love it.
Of course they are.
This is obviously better, but the kids are gonna love that. It sounded mean when I said it.
When it came out, it's mean.
I wanna eat it.
But look, can we just...
This is done better.
Wow.
All right,
All right, my friends.
All right.
Looks pretty good. For the first time.
Here we go.
Looks delicious.
Rolled up pepperoni pizzas, and this is garlic bread pizzas.
Oh my gosh.
I know her dad.
Who said, oh my gosh? Oh my gosh, good? I gotta know my gosh. We surely got, hold on, in case audio didn't pick that up. One more time.
Oh my gosh.
There we go. For a show of hands, no words, steak is your favorite. Hands up. Oh, Jiminy Christmas.
That's not fair.
Sorry,
Put your hands down. By a show of hands, the pizza is your favorite.
That's not.